welcome to Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I am your host, Akanksha. From AI transforming warfare to billion-dollar CEO pay packages, today's tech headlines are intense, controversial, and shaping the future faster than ever. So without further ado, let's get started with today's top tech stories. Artificial intelligence is now playing a major role in modern conflicts. Reports suggest that AI tools have been used to process massive surveillance data and identify hundreds of targets within hours during military operations in Iran. This technology allows armies to analyze information faster than humans ever could, speeding up decision making on the battlefield. However, the growing use of AI in warfare is also raising serious ethical questions worldwide. Shaking the tech world, a major dispute between the Pentagon and AI company Anthropic has triggered debates across the tech industry after disagreements over how AI could be used in surveillance and weapons. The US Department of Defense labeled the company a supply chain risk. The incident has sparked concerns among startups about whether working with defense agencies could become politically and ethically complicated. In another dramatic development, OpenAI's robotic and hardware lead, Kathleen Kalinowski, has resigned. Her exit reportedly comes after concerns over OpenAI's deal to deploy AI models within Pentagon systems. She warned that decisions involving surveillance and autonomous weapons require stronger safeguards and deeper ethical review. Alphabet has approved a massive new compensation package for Google CEO Sundar Pichai that could reach $692 million over the next 3 years. Most of the package is tied to performance goals and the growth of projects like Waymo's self-driving technology and Wing's drone delivery business. While many feared AI could replace consultants, the opposite is happening. Companies are struggling to integrate AI systems into real business workflows, creating huge demand for consulting firms. Experts say human strategy and decision making are still crucial when organizations adopt advanced AI technologies. And that's it for today's top tech stories. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, make sure you stay tuned to our channel and I will see you in the next one.